Next we're going to hear from the contestants, the people from the 10 companies that shared with us. Yashraj Jariwala is a biotechnologist and CEO of a microalgae startup from India. Shaivaa Algaetech, which is focusing on providing innovative and sustainable algae-based solutions for human and animal nutrition markets. Their product competing in our contest is plant-based oil formulation powered by phospholipids and astaxanthin. So, Jarash, please.
Good morning to everyone. It's truly a beautiful morning in the city of San Francisco. I would like to begin by thanking the F3 team for organizing this wonderful conference. It's an absolute honor for me to be present amidst such great company. So thank you so much, F3 team. So firstly, I would just like to introduce my company, Shaivaa Algaetech. So as the name pretty much speaks for itself, we are essentially a biotechnology startup based out of Surat, Gujarat. It's in India. It's in the western side of India. So our complete focus remains on providing algae-based solutions or algae-derived solutions for the nutrition market, which includes the human as well as animal nutrition. We are into the 4th year of our inception. We started in 2021 at a lab scale level. So in terms of a biotechnology startup, we are just getting started. So a lot of people, when they hear the name of our company, they wonder what the meaning of Shaivaa is. So I just want to start by giving a little bit of details into that. So basically, Shaivaa is an amalgamation of 2 words, that is Shiva and Shaival. So Shiva is, in Hindu religion, is the creator of this universe. And Shaival is the Sanskrit word for algae. So this pretty much is the mission statement of our company. So just like Lord Shiva, we think that algae is the creator of this world because it has played a pivotal role in making the ecosystem that is currently in this world that we're living in. And our goal as a company is to provide it in a simple and accessible way for the nutrition industry. These are some quick snapshot of our company. We are a pilot scale company. We are probably at a TRL of 6 to 7. All of our revenue till date has been through samplings of our product with a few of the companies domestically as well as globally. So so we are pretty much a pre-commercial company as of now. The market size taken into consideration right here is that we are considering the human as well as animal feed market. And also, we are a bootstrap company. This is the team. We have a good balance of people having technical as well as business background. Just a brief introduction about myself. I have done my post-graduation in biotechnology from Johns Hopkins University, which is right here in Baltimore, near DC. My co-founder, Mr. Yashraj Jariwala, he is a seasoned entrepreneur. He has about a 30-year experience in the manufacturing industry. And the other people are, they're a team of young biotechnologists and also having a good business background as well. Just to talk about our solution, so we are essentially having 4 products. That is the Astiva Natural Astaxanthin, Astamega, which is for the human and cosmeceutical industries, and Astiva Red Feed and the Astamega Feed is for the aquafeed and animal feed industry. So here I'd just like to discuss more about the Astamega Feed that we have submitted for the for the trials. So Astomega feed is an oil-based feed additive, having a unique blend of algal-based omega-3s, EPA and DHA, along with the most sought-after carotenoid in the aquaculture industry, that is astaxanthin. So the EPA is from Nanochloropsis, which is typically 5 to 8%. The algal DHA is from Schizochitrium, which is about 20 to 25%. And the natural astaxanthin content is about 1.5 to 2%. So just like that, we have crafted this formulation just as mentioned in the previous slides. We think that algae is the actual provider of all these nutrients to the fish ecosystem. So that's why we're just providing it right from the source. And that's the whole idea of creating this formulation. Just a quick snapshot of Astomega feed. Yeah, so I'm just trying to compare the Astomega feed with the krill and fish oil that is available in the market. So in our production process, we are actually using the effluent CO2 gas from a paper industry nearby, and we are using it for cultivation of our algae. Some of the studies that we have conducted till now for our Astomega feed. So one of it is for the white leg shrimp. So in India, it's the second largest producer of white leg shrimp. So we did a study at the broodstock stage and the finisher stage for that. We also did some studies with the rainbow trout. It was conducted by a partner in Izmir, Turkey. And the third trial that is going on is with the Atlantic salmon, which the F3 team is conducting. So some of the results that we had with the WLS studies, I just wanted to quickly glance upon that with you guys. So in terms of, we found a significant improvement in the quality and the quantity of the eggs. This was probably because of the omega-3 accumulation in the hepatopancreas of the shrimp. Yeah. The second important thing that we found is that the survival rate in the post-larva and the larval stage was higher in case of using Astomega feed. This was because of the antioxidant capacity of natural astaxanthin. And in the finisher stage, we use Astomega just 15 days before the harvest. And we found that there was improvement in the pigmentation, pink pigmentation of the shrimp upon cooking. So this is because the astaxanthin actually binds to as an enantiomer to the muscle cells in the shrimp. In terms of our dosage, we recommend a dosage about 4 to 7%. And the use is that we use it post-extrusion. We top coat it after extrusion. Again, because we are using omega-3s and astaxanthin, they are susceptible to high temperatures. So that's why we always suggest of using it as a top coat after extrusion. In terms of pricing, we are on the higher side. I can agree right now, but that's the case is because we don't have that production as of now. But I think in the coming years, when we increase our production, we can expect a price decrease of 20 to 30%. Other markets that we actually are really interested in is in the human nutrition market. So we've already started our clinical trials for eye health and overall healthy aging with this ingredient. Pet feed, especially dog food, stand as a very lucrative market for us in the coming time. And another very interesting market is food fortification and premix development using Astomega. Application of Astomega as a cooking oil additive and also as an oil dressing for the food industry is something as an exciting possibility in the near future for us as well. So thank you so much. We are also part of the Lexicon Group's krill-free activator. So basically, they are developing a framework for how exactly krill is being over-harvested in the Antarctic region. So we are developing a framework for everybody to educate how we can go and use more krill-free products for the nutrition or in the aquafeed industry. Thank you.